Microsoft Publisher on your computer? Years of work sit inside those .pub files. October 2026, Publisher is shutting down. After that, .pub files simply will not open. This is not just an end of support notice. October 13, 2026, a permanent kill switch. .pub is a closed, binary format. No standard software can open it. Without Publisher, .pub is a digital fossil. 500 files by hand? This is Univik PUB Converter. It does not need Publisher at all. It reads the .pub binary directly, fully offline. Here is how it works, in just 3 steps. Step 1. Add your folder of .pub files. Publisher 1.0 to Microsoft 365, all supported. Step 2. Choose your output format. Step 3. Hit Convert. Everything runs in batch, with no limit. And the output quality? Pixel accurate. Text, images, shapes, fonts, all preserved. The Microsoft method was nearly unusable. Univik converts directly, so nothing breaks. Pricing is simple, with no subscription. Free trial, no registration, 10 pages per file. The full version is a one-time $39. And a 30-day money-back guarantee. October 13, 2026 is the deadline. You have about 3 months left. Download now and start with the free trial.